Hello, in this video I would like to show you how to replace LCD screen on this HMI monitors. This is our direct replacement screen. This replacement screen comes with a 1-wire adapter, upgraded the LCD screen. The part number is 6335241-LCD. Let's set aside a screen, take a look at this machine. This machine was made by a right here, MSC Toolingen in Germany. The terminal number is 6335241. Okay, this is a 10.4-inch display. It has all kind of inputs, touch screens, front. This is the front view. Okay. All right. So to replace the screen on this one is pretty simple. First, we need to remove this screw, 3 screws, and pop out this cover, and then 4 more screws. Then we can access chassis to the LCD screen. Now, let me remove the screen first. 3 screws first. So I just moved the last screen. So after you remove 3 screens, you're gonna push on this side, right side. See that? Then lift up. You see this clicks? So that's how take it out. This is the chassis. This is the keyboard, touch key up front, and then touch screens. And okay, so there's 4 more screws we need to remove first. Then take a look. And last screw. Okay, take it out. We're gonna lift up the chassis of this sidebar. Have to take it out. Okay, let me see. Okay, so that means this one had to remove. Let me see, remove. Okay. This one is top, bottom. Top is alive with this end, bottom alive with the other end, so we have to remember that. Okay. What else? Okay, now here we go. See this? Let me see. This is screen, but I'm not sure you can see or not. There's 1, 2, 3, each 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Need to remove it in order to access a LCD screens. Okay. Okay, last screw. Let's see. Lift it up. Let me see. What is? Okay, this one I need to remove. I removed the wrong one. I should remove this one. Okay, I'm gonna put this one back. Here we go. All right, can I take it out? Oh boy, there's another one. I took out the wrong one, so actually, right. Okay, now I can take the chassis out just like that. See, this is the screen. So this is actually it's an inverter. I'm gonna connection. I'm gonna take it out. I'm gonna make a marking here, and I'll show you later. Okay, this is actually inverter. I show you. Okay. See, this is the inverter. This is screen wire harness, which is that's the one right here. So we can just leave it like that. That's fine. Just make sure I don't touch it. Okay. All right. So this is the screen. This is the inverter. I'm going to set aside this thing for a second. Interface. All right. So this is a inverter. So let's take a look at the inverters. Take it out. Probably going to mount at the same location, I would think, because our driver was so tiny. And then again, this one comes with wire adapter, so we're going to remove this end, connect to this end, then connect back to the main chassis. Okay, so first thing first, let's say we remove the inverter and take this. Ooh, that's why I'm using carbon box. It's so dirty. 4 more screw holding screen. We take it out. We mount our screen back, and then we flick over. We're gonna mount a LED drivers on the. Okay, so I'm gonna take 4 screws out. So last screw out, we disconnect the inverter. So this thing, okay, this thing can just pull it out. Oh, like this. Okay, show you. Just push a little bit, then get your hands to it. Show you. Just front hand. Take it out. Okay. So basically, we're gonna just swap it out. This one I'm gonna take it out first. Just like this. Okay, let me connect. Okay, let me connect. This wire right back. You just saw that. Okay. All right, this end secure. Okay, now we just put it back. Take the inverter joint out. Put back the 4 screw. Bring it back, mount the inverter. Okay, I just clean up the table a little bit and mount the screen back. I'm gonna flick it over just like this. And then I'm gonna remove this. This is just hot glue though. Connectors carefully. See that? This is just hot glue. Okay. Then we disconnect this one. Connect back to our wire adapters. So 2 more screws I need to. Here's my screwdrivers right here. The inverters. Take it out. And then basically, I just want to mount it at the same locations. Oh, there's one more here. Okay. Now we clean a little bit here. The way I want to mount just like this is good enough. Or here. I think here's good. Wow, here's gonna be cables, so maybe a little bit on this end. Okay. Where's my connect the wire adapter all the way, peel it off. Stick to it. Done deal. Okay. Now we're gonna get the oops. Oh my god, the table is back. So we're gonna put it back. Let's put it back here first. Then we can flip over to clean it a little bit. Let me see the directions. This is direction inverter. Okay, I'm gonna put the 6 screw back plus 2 that I unscrewed wrong. So I just put all the screw back and then clean on this side. It's ready to put it back. So this is, let's say, this I also clean this side too. So let me see here. There we go. This one is the bottom one. Okay, align with this end. Yeah, this is the top one. Oops. Just be careful. Align with this end. Okay, we already connected and connect this indicate light here. Oh, I have a marking here. Yeah, that's my marking. So we're gonna put 4 screw back and put back the back cover, and we're gonna fire up to see what's the result. So I put back all the screws. I connect one connector here because it says 24 volts. So I'm gonna connect 24 volt here. Then we're gonna connect the VGA signal on this end. So take a look. 24 volt. This is a positive. Okay. This is a negative. Right. Let me flip it over. Okay, so you can see better. See how nice. Okay. Thanks for watching.